Moving in Boston can be tricky: tight streets, parking permits, hidden fees. In just 3 minutes, here's your checklist to choose the right movers and save time, money, and sanity. A reliable moving company is fully licensed and insured, transparent about estimates, clear about services, and backed by real customer feedback. In a city like Boston, with parking restrictions and complex building rules, that level of professionalism makes all the difference. Start with licenses. For interstate moves, confirm SDOT or MC registration. For moves within Massachusetts, look for a valid DPU license. Ask for registration numbers and verify them in public databases. Licensing proves oversight and gives you leverage if something goes wrong. Start with licenses. For interstate moves, confirm SDOT or MC registration. For moves within Massachusetts, look for a valid DPU license. Ask for registration numbers and verify them in public databases. Licensing proves oversight and gives you leverage if something goes wrong. Next, insurance. Request a certificate of insurance listing liability, cargo, and workers' compensation coverage. Check that dates are valid and the insurer is real. Keep copies. They're your legal protection if damage or loss occurs. Customer reviews reveal real performance. Consistent praise for punctuality and careful handling means reliability. Repeated complaints about hidden fees or poor communication are red flags. Focus on recent Boston-specific reviews, parking, permits, stairs, to spot genuine local experience. Ready for a stress-free move in Boston? Visit betterlifemoving.com or call us today for your free moving quote.